Thank you for joining me today in this video. We are here to discuss about IAC Terraform 2. So let's get started. And before we jump into IAC Terraform, first we need to understand the approach followed in IT before and after automation, right? So before automation in IT, many routine tasks were performed manually by IT professionals. This include tasks such as server provisioning, software installation, patch management, configure networking, configure server hardening, install and configure databases, and among many more tasks, right? See, all these tasks, all this manual process were very time consuming, error prone, and often require significant resource to complete. And as a result, the IT team spent much of their time on these mundane tasks rather than focusing on more strategic initiatives, right? And after coming the automation in the IT industry, what changes happen in the IT industry? Let's understand. So just like the after the automation in IT, right? Many of these routine tasks were now automated, or allowing IT team to focus on more critical projects that add value to the businesses. Automation tool and platform can help reduce human error, speed up process, increase efficiencies, and resulting in cost saving, and quickly to change and reduce downtime, resulting in improved service delivery and better customer satisfactions. Now let's understand IAC, right? So what is IAC? So IAC stand for Terraform as a code, which is a software engineering approach to managing and provisioning IT infrastructure using code in IAC. The infrastructure is described in code and managed through the version control system, just like the Git, Bitbucket, and many more. Just like any other software project, this approach provide a number of benefits, right? Over the we can say benefit over the traditional manual management of IT infrastructure, including repeatability, consistency, agility, right? With IAC, the infrastructure is defined in declarative code that can be version tested and deployed like any other software application, right? This code can be used to provision and configure servers, network, storage, and other infrastructure components. IAC tools such as Ansible, SAP, Puppet, and Terraform allow you to manage infrastructure using code and automate the process of provisioning and configure resources. IAC make it easier to manage complex infrastructure environment by allowing us to define our infrastructure as a set of code that can be easily understood, maintained by the developer and operation teams. The code can be tested and validated before being deployed to the production, reducing the risk of error and outage. IAC also provide a high degree of repeatability and consistency, as the same code can be used to provision identical environment in multiple locations. This allows us for easy scaling and replication of infrastructure, as well as disaster recovery and failover scenarios, right? For example, let's suppose we have built a infrastructure, right, in a region, right? And for that we want to create a DR, so we can go ahead and uh, we can quickly provision our infrastructure as a DR, because we have the code and we have to just execute, right? So it will create the identical environment over there as well. So overall, IAC is a powerful approach to managing and provisioning IT infrastructure, offering benefits such as agility, consistency, and repeatability. By treating infrastructure as a code, organizations can automate their infrastructure management process, reduce human error, respond quickly to changing business need, right? So now let's understand why we need different IT automation like Terraform, Ansible, SAP, and Puppet. All right. So here are some of the reasons, right? So specialization, right? So different IT automation tool are designed to perform specific task or automate specific process. For example, one tool may be designed for network automation, while other may be designed for the security automation. Having a variety of tools allow for greater flexibility and space specificity and automation. Also allow us integration. Different IT automation tool may be compatible with different system, application and platform. It is therefore important to have a range of tools to ensure that all aspects of our IT infrastructure, IT environment can be automated and integrated with each other. We can also understand by the complexity. Some IT process may be too complex to be handled by a single tool. In such cases, a combination of the different tools may be needed to automate the entire process. This also helps to ensure that the process is completed efficiently and accurately. Next, we can understand by the scalability. Different IT automation tool may have different capabilities, right? In terms of scaling to meet the need of growing organization, having a range of tool allow organization to choose the most appropriate tool for their current and future needs. It also includes the cost. Some automation tool may be expensive, such may be just like the open source, and many organizations may not be able to afford all the tools they need. Having a range of tools allow organizations to uh, choose the most effective solution for each automation task, right? So in summary, having different IT automation tool allow organizations to automate a variety of tasks, ensuring compatibility and the integration, handle complex process, scale to their needs, manage cost, and leverage the expertise of their IT staff, right? So this is all about the IT and the what we have discussed about the IAC and before the automation and after the automation, what impact has the on the IT industry and how they are leveraging the different tool, right? So with summarizing the content of this video, we have discussed about the IT automation approach, what is IAC tool and how it works, why we need different IT automation tools, right? So hope you enjoy this video, and for more such video hit like and do comment, and the most importantly subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye, have a nice time. Thank you.